all protocols observed. I'm standing in for Honorable Mithiano Isanuel, so I hope I'll be able to step into his shoes well. On behalf of the Department of Cooperatives, we have three key areas. We have cooperatives, enterprise development, and tourism. I want to talk about the establishment of youth and women's circles, which is an ongoing process right now. We want to encourage the youth and women to save and to have the culture of saving and investing for wealth creation. We have been telling people to save in the past, but we've not told them what to do with the savings. And we want to introduce the former cooperative movement that used to educate us during our time, so that people feel that when they're in the village, in the rural areas, they are able to do what others are doing in the towns. And in this case, we have sub-county administrators and DCOs, the district cooperative officers working in the sub-counties, the former districts, and they are assisting us in the recruitment process so that we can have youth and women registered in cooperatives, and we are very passionate about that. We hope to have them so that they can have affordable credits in the future. The other point in cooperatives is that there's in the central coffee milling plant that we are starting, and I wish to report that we have already assisted two cooperatives, that is the Meru Central Coffee Farmers Association Union and the Meru North Coffee Farmers Union, to come together to acquire the former KPCU milling plant that we wish to, in 5 years' time, we wish to have started milling all our coffee together and branding it and selling it as Meru coffee. Again, we also are encouraging the establishment of Mera cooperatives. We know Mera is a hot potato. It is all over, it's in the news for all the bad reasons. And we want Merus to feel that our cash crop is doing very well. So we are operating, we want to encourage the Mera farmers so that we can have a cooperative for the purposes of having a voice that can move our product, branding it and selling it to both within the country and outside the country as a Meru product. We also want to replicate the same to other areas of the other sectors. For example, potatoes, bananas, and other crops. If we move to the other sector, which is enterprise development, that is trade and industry, what has been developed to us is normally the wholesale and retail trade. And I'm happy to report that we have in the progress of having wholesale markets in various parts such as Kanyakine, Kariene, Timau, and Kibiritia. We also want to replicate the Kaboromone hub in other regions, like in Tigania we want to have it in Mikidori, and in Igembe we want to have it in Maua, something close to what we have in Kaboromone. It's in the process. We also want to train the medium and the small and medium enterprises through giving them the small loans that have been going on through joint bond loans through the trade and industry departments. And we want to have, the idea is to reduce poverty among the traders. No. We also want to use, as we were told in the morning, the Vision 2030 has structured areas of Isiolo town, which we wish to use as we want to have an industrial port, the industrial park, so that we can have our products branded and sold through Isiolo. On tourism, wish we want to map up and profile all tourist sites and attractions in Meru, and we are happy to partner with the national government, seek guidance from the national government, and to use the PPP so that those people with knowledge can come and partner with us in the mapping of the tourist sites. And we are interested in getting the Mount Kenya circuit and the cultural and sports tourism. We may wish to take the Johnny Teke and what the culture and social services are doing and do together to improve, to have tourist attractions in Meru. We also wish to do the hospitality industry, to improve the hospitality industry. Before the county government came into place, we had only around 2,000 bed capacity. Now, after the county government, I'm happy to report that there's an additional 500 beds. You know, with the likes of Alba Hotel and the Heritage Hotel and others coming up, we want to encourage the PPP model so that we improve on this part. And lastly, in tourism, we want also to do the conservation of wildlife, and especially in Nyambene, where we have started. So we want to pick up from what has been done. And lastly, I would wish to appeal to you people, because you're Merus, you know, we want to build a home. We know you are settled here, but we want you to assist us in investing in our beloved country, because East, West, home is best.